Disabling two-factor authentication on HBO Max can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the HBO Max website or open the app and sign in with your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner. Step 3. Select security settings. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Security or Privacy. Click on it to access your two-factor authentication options. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle or checkbox that allows you to disable it. Click to turn it off. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, you may be prompted to confirm your choice. Follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the changes. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on your HBO Max account. Always remember to keep your account secure with a strong password.